Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is audiology the study of? Is it A. Rocks, B. Bees, C. The spread of diseases, or D. Hearing? The answer is D. Hearing.
Audiology, the study of hearing, plays a crucial role in understanding how we perceive sound. Did you know that the human ear can detect frequencies ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz? Audiologists help diagnose and treat hearing disorders, ensuring we can enjoy everything from whispered secrets to roaring concerts.
Question 2. What simple type of camera uses a hole in a screen to create a simply viewed image of the sun? Is it A. Periscope, B. Box camera, C. Camera obscura, or D. Bridge camera? The answer is C. Camera obscura.
The camera obscura, Latin for dark chamber, was a favorite tool of artists like Leonardo da Vinci. This ancient optical device projects an inverted image through a tiny hole onto a surface inside a darkened room, offering an early glimpse into the principles that would eventually lead to modern photography.
Question 3. What does the acronym ROM stand for in computers? Is it A. Read-only memory, B. Rare ownership modifications, C. Random object medium, or D. Real orchestration mode? The answer is A. Read-only memory.
Read-only memory, ROM, is a type of non-volatile storage used in computers and other electronic devices. Unlike RAM, data stored in ROM remains intact even when the device is powered off. Fascinatingly, early video game consoles like the Atari 2600 used ROM cartridges to store games, making them easily swappable.
Question 4. What is codicology the study of? Is it A. Water, B. Microorganisms, C. The preparation of books and manuscripts, or D. The nature and origins of knowledge? The answer is C. The preparation of books and manuscripts.
Codicology, often called the archaeology of the book, delves into the fascinating world of ancient manuscripts. It uncovers secrets about how books were crafted before printing presses existed, revealing insights into materials like parchment and inks. This study helps us understand historical contexts and cultural exchanges through these meticulously prepared texts.
Question 5. Which of these medical terms comes from an ancient Greek word meaning without sensation? Is it A. Paralysis, B. Anesthesia, C. Amnesia, or D. Hypnosis? The answer is B. Anesthesia.
The term anesthesia originates from the ancient Greek word anesthesia, which means without sensation. This groundbreaking concept was first successfully demonstrated in 1846 by dentist William T. G. Morton, who used ether to painlessly extract a tooth, revolutionizing surgery and earning him the nickname Father of Anesthesia.
Question 6. What is enology the study of? Is it A. Whales, dolphins, and porpoises, B. Tibet, C. Gross and disgusting things, or D. Wine and winemaking? The answer is D. Wine and winemaking.
Enology, the study of wine and winemaking, delves into the intricate dance between science and art. It explores everything from grape cultivation to fermentation techniques. Interestingly, ancient winemakers used tree resin as a preservative, a practice still seen in Greece's Rizzino wine today. Cheers to history in every sip.
Question 7. What is the word for a group of sheep? Is it A, a flock, B, a caste, C, a kindle, or D, a plump? The answer is A, a flock.
In the world of sheep, a flock isn't just a gathering, it's a social network. Sheep are known for their strong flocking instinct, which helps them protect each other from predators. This behavior is so ingrained that even when grazing, they maintain visual contact with at least 4 other sheep.
Question 8. Who was the first to fly over the English Channel? Is it A, Amelia Earhart, B, Glenn Curtis, C, the Wright brothers, or D, Louis Blériot? The answer is D, Louis Blériot.
On July 25, 1909, Louis Blériot became the first person to fly over the English Channel in a heavier-than-air aircraft. His daring 37-minute flight from Calais to Dover earned him a 1,000-pound prize from the Daily Mail and made him an overnight sensation, inspiring future aviators worldwide.
Question 9. Who is accepted as the discoverer of penicillin? Is it A, Alexander Fleming, B, Louis Pasteur, C, John Dalton, or D, Frederick Sanger? The answer is A, Alexander Fleming.
In 1928, Alexander Fleming's accidental discovery of penicillin revolutionized medicine. While tidying his lab, he noticed a mold-killing bacteria in a petri dish. This serendipitous find led to the development of antibiotics, saving countless lives and earning him a Nobel Prize in 1945 alongside Howard Florey and Ernst Boris Chain.
Thanks for tuning in. We hope this quiz sparked your curiosity and didn't leave you in a black hole of confusion. Until next time, keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.